Tamsyn, I work in the projects department as an assistant project manager. I have a degree in drama, which is something I studied actually in Lincoln, which is where I got my first job outside of, which was working as a project worker. That job was working with young people to engage them in their local arts venue by creating their own arts events, which is actually what spurred me to then apply for this job, which was originally a coordinator here, because it was an on-site coordinator working on arts events. So my first gig was actually working on the Winter Olympics in Korea, so obviously you can't complain when that's your first job. It was definitely an adventure. It was minus 23 and you've got to keep enough crew warm, and when the oil freezes over that leads to the electricity working, it becomes a bit of a nightmare to say the least. But then we're all walking around in these giant puffer jackets, and unfortunately there was only extra large on site. So there's me walking around Korea with this giant yellow high vis, and everyone's looking at me, and I just assumed I was like the most fashionable there. And needless to say, I sort of saw myself with these like little legs popping out in this giant high vis jacket. I went into my degree thinking I'm going to come out and be a director or a teacher or an actor, because those are sort of the only paths you knew of. And then when I became a project worker, I realised quite quickly how much I love to help others sort of enjoy the arts, and that's sort of what fueled it for me. And then being able to come to this company, and even though I'm not the client overseeing that project, I get to be a part of them creating that sort of idea for other people. So for me, I've ended up in a career that has the chance to motivate others to engage with the arts, and that's sort of what inspires me, I guess, to keep going in it.